For many years now, Dumex milk has been the preferred choice for your child. With the growing concerns on product trustworthiness, you may wonder how Dumex produces its high-quality product and where we source our materials from. Rest assured that our premium milk is processed to base powder in one of the best factories in Australia and New Zealand. All our suppliers undergo stringent supplier evaluation before they are approved. This ensures that the quality of Dumex milk remains consistently high. Dumex's process of manufacturing takes place right here. Our Nilai plant in Malaysia manages the production, export, and domestic sales of Dumex products. Our plant runs on state-of-the-art technology, where product and people safety are our utmost priority. There is a quality assurance system in place. It possesses all the certifications and accreditation necessary, such as ISO, veterinary certification, and our products are halal certified. It ensures that anything bearing the Dumex brand in Malaysia remains true to source and carries an assurance of quality. We emphasize on research and development, focusing on innovation and renovation for our products through nutritional and clinical studies. The production process and materials used are in line with environmentally friendly directions. We maintain the absolute freshness of our product and make timely deliveries to respective countries and destinations through our highly efficient supply chain. We apply the policy of first expire, first out to ensure that no product is kept for too long. By employing meticulous stock monitoring along the supply chain, we make sure that the product comes to you, the consumer, in the best state possible. Looking further, we distribute our products not only to the various states in Malaysia, we also supply them to countries in the Asia-Pacific region. Danone Dumex strives to give our very best to provide you and your child with quality milk for their growing needs.